When it comes to presentation software in 2026, two names come up constantly: Gamma AI and Microsoft PowerPoint. One focuses on fast AI-generated presentations, while the other remains the traditional industry standard for slide creation. So in this comparison, I'll break down Gamma AI versus PowerPoint, including design, AI features, ease of use, customization, collaboration, and which one is better for different types of users. Gamma AI is an AI-powered presentation platform that can generate slides, documents, and web pages automatically from prompts or uploaded text. It's designed to help users create visually polished presentations very quickly. PowerPoint, on the other hand, is the classic slide-based presentation software used by businesses, schools, and professionals for decades. It gives users much deeper manual control over slide editing and formatting, and honestly, a lot of creators now use both tools together. They generate fast presentation drafts with Gamma AI, then finalize and customize the slides inside PowerPoint. And that's your full Gamma AI versus PowerPoint comparison for 2026. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of which presentation platform fits your workflow, experience level, and presentation goals. Business presentations need to look professional, organized, and visually clear if you want to impress clients, investors, teams, or managers, but creating slides manually can take hours. With Gamma AI, you can generate polished business presentations in minutes using artificial intelligence. So in this guide, I'll show you how to make business presentations with Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button and choose the presentation option. Business presentations usually work best with visuals like charts, graphs, analytics, and performance data. These elements help communicate information much more clearly, and that's your full guide on how to make business presentations with Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create professional business slides faster and more efficiently using AI tools.